Want to pause a moment in your video or hold a frame for dramatic effect? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to freeze any part of your video using CapCut on PC. First, import your video into CapCut and drag it into the timeline. Now move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the freeze to happen. I'll freeze the video right here for this example. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline so it's selected. Above the timeline, you'll see a row of editing tools. Look for the Freeze button. It looks like a rectangle with vertical lines on both sides. Click it once. CapCut will now insert a freeze frame at that exact position in the video. To make the freeze frame longer or shorter, just click and drag the edges of the freeze clip to adjust its length. And that's how you freeze or pause a video in CapCut for PC. Like for more quick tips. Comment if you need help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching.